Hi, in this video we will see how WebHarvy can be used to scrape player statistics from WhoScored website. So the first step is to load the whoscored.com web page from which we can scrape player stats. So what I'm trying to do here is I'm trying to scrape player details of each team playing in English Premier League. So I've loaded the EPL page within whoscored.com and then go to team statistics page. And here I can see the list of teams. So I need to scrape player details from each of these teams. So the first step is to go to actions and select the scrape a list of similar links option and then click on the first team name. And as you can see, WebHarvy has automatically selected all the team names, and I don't want to select more links, so I click no and OK, and WebHarvy will load the first team name from where I can scrape the player stats. Now I should start the configuration to start selecting data, and before selecting any data, if I go to configuration and URLs, I can see that all the team page URLs are included here. In fact, you can add more team URLs here from other leagues maybe and apply. You can do this either now or later while editing the configuration. So for now, let's start selecting the team names. If I directly click on the player name and try to scrape it, you can see that there are a lot of blank rows in between. So to avoid this, this is a specific behavior for this website. So to avoid this, I select this entire cell and just highlight the player name using mouse and then click capture text. And now I get all the players, and then yeah, I can just scrape this. I think is the height, weight, minutes, goals. So it's very easy. You can just click and select the data which you need. All right. So you can even follow the player link. Like if I select this entire cell here, you can go to capture HTML, apply regex, href, and apply. And then you can use the follow this link option. Actually, in most websites, you can just click on the player name and use the follow this link option directly. But since this page has a side effect of having these blank rows in between, this method should be followed. And once the player details page is loaded, you can scrape more details. Whenever the data appears after a heading text, you can use the capture following text for more accuracy. And the data will be scraped irrespective of its absolute position on page. And then I can stop configuration, go to settings, category, keyword. I can just add a new column. So if for against each player stats, the team name column will specify the name of the team for which he is playing. Apply and start mine. So WebHarvy is trying to scrape player details for Manchester City now, and you can see that the team name is being displayed for each player. Now each player link will be followed to scrape these details, and once this entire player details are scrapped for Manchester City, it will move on to the next team. So I hope you find this video useful. In case you have any questions, please contact us at support@webharvy.com. Thank you.